Hi, and welcome back to Life Upgrade with AI. This channel is all about using AI to make your everyday life simpler, calmer, and more organized. I'm using ChatGPT on my computer today, but you can follow along with any AI tool, including the mobile app. Today we're planning and organizing your holiday shopping, and we're keeping it simple. Holiday shopping can feel chaotic fast, so using AI to structure everything can save you time, money, and a lot of stress. Let's get started. The very first thing AI can help with is creating a high-level view of everything you need to buy. Instead of jumping straight to gifts, we're going to let AI ask us questions so the plan fits your exact season. Here's the first prompt I'm using. Help me organize my holiday shopping. Ask me 10 simple questions about who I'm shopping for, my budget, travel plans, deadline, and anything else that impacts my shopping timeline. AI will ask things like who you're buying for, how many gifts you want to give, whether you have travel deadlines, how much you want to spend, and whether you prefer online or in-store shopping. Answer the questions right inside the chat. This gives the AI enough context to build a plan that actually matches your life. If you're traveling for Christmas, AI will adjust your deadlines earlier, or if you prefer shopping locally, it'll focus on in-store planning. These tiny details make the system much more accurate. Now that the AI understands your situation, we'll ask it to sort everything into a clean overview. Here's the next prompt for this. Turn my answers into a detailed holiday shopping overview. Organize everything by person, store, estimated budget, and priority level. AI will now create a structured list where each person you're shopping for has a budget range, store suggestions, and priority markers. Seeing it all laid out is one of the easiest ways to reduce overwhelm. It's like having a personal shopping assistant. You can also ask AI for alternatives at different price points if you're unsure what to buy. For example, give me 3 gift ideas for each person on my list in the $25 to $50 range. This is a small addition that makes AI even more helpful for you. Next, we're going to turn your list into a real shopping timeline. This is especially useful for December, when shipping cutoffs and store hours start to matter. Here's the prompt. Create a holiday shopping timeline based on my list. Include when to buy each item, the best order to shop in, and deadlines for shipping or travel. AI will usually break this into weeks and guide you through what to buy first based on urgency. This helps you avoid that last-minute panic and makes your shopping feel more peaceful. You can also ask AI to create a quick win first version of the timeline by using this prompt. Give me a list of the easiest items to buy this week so I can make fast progress. This is great if you're already feeling behind. Now let's add a practical layer: shipping deadlines, reminders, and important dates. Here's the prompt. Add a list of important dates, shipping deadlines, return windows, in-store pickup times, and any reminders I should add to my calendar. AI will give you everything you need to stay ahead of the holiday rush. This makes your whole plan feel grounded and realistic. This is one of my favorite parts, a clean shopping tracker you can update as you shop. Here's the prompt. Create a holiday shopping tracker with columns for item, person, store, budget, purchased, wrapped, and delivered. AI can format this in a table form so you can copy it straight into Notes, Google Sheets, or your planner. It's a perfect way to stay on top of everything without overthinking it. You can of course ask AI to generate versions for different and specific tools, like convert this into a Google Sheets format or make a printable version of this tracker. Now let's put it all together so you have one copy-friendly overview. Here's the final prompt. Combine the shopping overview, budget list, timeline, shipping reminders, and tracker into one simple holiday shopping plan I can copy and use. And that's it. Now you have a full holiday shopping system made in just a few minutes. If this helped you feel a little more organized this season, I'd love for you to subscribe to the channel. I share simple, everyday ways to use AI to make life calmer, easier, and more intentional. Thank you for watching and happy holiday shopping.